Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to show you step-by-step how to use text-to-speech with lip sync and how to take an image generated with AI and make it sing using OpenArt. Then, I'll show you how to create longer videos for a podcast or content like this one using HeyGen. Let's go.
Okay, let's go.
Okay, first we're going to make an image sing using OpenArt. Go to openart.ai using the link in my description. If you're serious about AI generation and decide to go for a paid plan, it really helps me create more content for this channel. Don't forget to like and subscribe. It's free and you'll be notified when I upload new videos. All right, let's get started on OpenArt. In the video section, select lip sync video. First, we need to choose a model for our generation. I'm going with OpenArt Lip Sync because it's cheaper and still gives me great results. Next, let's select a picture from my history. I already have one that I generated before. The next step is uploading an audio file. This will be the voice that our character in the image will sing. You can preview your audio before starting the generation to make sure it's the right one. Let's listen to it.
The night is burning dark and cold.
Everything looks fine. I'll add a simple prompt. The woman singing with emotion. And let's see what OpenArt can do. The generation can take between 3 to 4 minutes depending on the length of the audio, and of course the credit cost will also change based on the duration. 3 minutes later, we've got our lip sync video. Let's check if we got a good result on our first try.
The night is burning dark and cold.
And yes, I really like the result. I'll be using it in my next music video called Afterglow, releasing in early November. So be sure to check it out. Now I'm going to download the video without the watermark since I'm on a paid plan. We're going to make another quick generation to see if we can get another good result. This time I'll go faster since you already know how to do it.
Flames are dying, smoke remains.
Oh wait, I almost forgot to mention this. Earlier, I talked about different models and how they affect credit costs. Here's a perfect example of how each model can change the amount of credits you use with every generation.
Flames are dying, smoke.
In the meantime, let me show you one of the fails I had during a lip sync generation, and it's pretty funny. Since this one was a longer generation, the model started doing some weird stuff. Everything looks fine at first, but as the video goes on, you'll notice a strange finger movement, some random glowing lights, and the background starts changing for no reason. But the best part? At the end, it literally looks like I'm trying to eat the microphone. Weird, right? That's why I always say, the longer the generation, the longer and more detailed your prompt needs to be if you want specific results. Let's check out the result of our second generation.
Flames are dying, smoke remains.
That's great.
Flames are dying,
I'm going to download it without the
smoke
watermark, and we're all set for this lip sync singing part. Now, I want to show you another type of lip sync, and this time we'll use a website called HeyGen. That's actually what I'm using to create this video right now. It's super powerful when it comes to making longer videos with text-to-speech involved. First, go to app.heygen.com using the link in my description. You'll even get $15 in credits with my link, so why not? All right, now let's see how to make your own avatar talk with text-to-speech. It's super easy. First, head over to the avatar section and choose a picture or video you already have, or one you created with OpenArt. Just upload it and follow the instruction. Your avatar now appears in the list. Right now, I have 3 different styles for mine. If you're on the creator plan, you get unlimited videos up to 30 minutes each. That's a lot of content to work with. Now let's pick a style and click on Create with AI Studio. Here's where the magic happens. Double check that your avatar looks the way you want, and then choose a voice. There are tons of voices available, and you can even filter them by language. Take your time to find the one that matches your character best. Here's a quick tip. If you want unlimited generations, make sure to turn off the quality limit. If you leave it on, your generations will be limited depending on your plan. Next, type the text you want your avatar to say. You can even add pauses anywhere to make the speech more natural and adjust how long each pause lasts. Once everything looks good, click Generate in the top right corner. Add a title. Choose the video quality, 720p for the free plan, 1080p with the creator plan, and up to 4K with the team plan. I'm using the creator plan, and as you can see, the quality is amazing. One more thing, if you're on the free plan, you can't remove the HeyGen watermark. Finally, hit submit and wait for your video to generate. Remember, the longer your text, the longer the generation will take. Let's see the result. Okay, first we're going to make an image sing using OpenArt. Go to openart.ai using the link in my description. If you're serious about AI generation and decide to go for a paid plan, it really helps me create more content for this channel. All right, I'll go ahead and download the video. And just like that, we're all set. Oh, and here's a quick tip. If you don't feel like creating your own avatar, you can use one of the public avatars available right inside HeyGen. There are tons to choose from. Just pick the one that fits your style or project. Each public avatar comes with its own unique look and voice. And the best part is, everything's already set up for you. Super easy, super quick, so you can focus on creating your content instead of starting from scratch. I really hope this video helped you create your own content and taught you something new about AI lip sync. If it did, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. It's free and it really helps me out. Take care, guys, and I'll see you very soon with more awesome AI content. Until then, keep creating.
Soft illusions turn to chains. I reach for something I can't hold. The night is burning dark and cold. In the afterglow,